Okay, so we've had it running for about 45 minutes. We're going to give it a boot up and see if we get those startup errors. Still getting it. So looking like we still have the batteries not charged all the way, but the good news is it does still run. So we're going to go ahead and just let it ride like this, leave it running for a while, and hopefully at that point we'll have a good CMOS battery setup made from 3 AA 1.2 volt batteries, which replace that old Varta, which we don't want to leak and destroy the board.